You are welcome back. In this video, we'll be solving question 2, which says that we should construct a triangle on a base 80 if its two base angles are 45. In the previous video, we were actually directed to measure and state the size of the diameter. So what you do in that sense is just put it in it like this and measure it. This one is giving me 40. Diameter equals 40 mm. So that's for the first one. Now coming back to this video now, we have to construct a triangle. We have been given the base to be 80 and the two base angles to be 45 degrees and 60 degrees. So the first thing to do is to measure the base. I'll measure the base. Let me draw a line like this. So let me pick this point as the starting point. Then I'll measure the base, which is 80. This is my 80. I can take in that one because drawing the triangle is part of the question. So I'll now construct 60 degree and 45 degree. I'll construct 60 degree here because this place is very tight. So just draw an arc with the same radius. I'll stay here. At this point, I'll mark an arc like that. This will be my 60 degrees. I hope it will not enter into the other triangle. Take it up, and here I'll draw 45 degrees. I'll construct 45 degrees. To construct 45 degrees, all I need to do, I'll draw a semicircle. After drawing the semicircle, I'll draw, because I need to draw for 90 degrees first. With the same radius, I'll mark an arc. That's 60. I'll stay here, mark another arc. That is another 60. So I have 60, 60, 60. But I need 90. So I need to bisect this 60 in the middle so that I'll have 30 plus 60. So I'll stay here now, mark an arc. Then I'll also stay here, mark another arc. Then I'll draw my 90 with thin line. I'll draw my 90 with thin line. Then I will now bisect it to get my 45. I'll use this point here. I'll stay here, mark an arc. Then I'll come to this other one, mark another arc. That's 45. Then I can draw it like that. So I can thicken this one now and thicken this other one too. So I have my triangle. I've solved the A part of the question. The next one is B, which says that I should circumscribe a circle to the triangle. To circumscribe a circle to the triangle, you need to bisect two sides. To circumscribe, you bisect two sides. So I'll bisect this one and this one. So to bisect this one now, I'll come here, extend my compass a little more than half of the line I want to bisect. I'll mark an arc to this side and to this side. I'll take it, move to the other end of the line that I'm bisecting. I'll mark an arc here and here. So with this one now, I can draw the bisector. I can draw the bisector. This is the bisector here. Now I want to bisect this other one too. To bisect it, I'll stay on the first end of the line. I'll mark an arc to the right of the line and to the left of the line. Then I'll come to the other end of the line that I'm bisecting. I'll stay here, I'll intersect this one here, then I'll intersect this one here. Let me confirm it. Is it this one? Let's go back to this place. Yeah, that's it. So it's correct. So I'll now put it on this one and extend it to the other end. Then I'll draw the bisector. So the two lines are meeting. This is bisector for the first one, and this is the bisector for the second one. Let me label them. If this is A, this is B, and this is C. This one is the bisector for AB, and this one is the bisector for BC. So I'm going to use the center now. This place will be the center where the two bisectors are intersecting, will be the center. You put it there and take it to one of the corners. Either you put it on B, or you put it on C, or you put it on A. Anyone you put it, you can get the same. So I'll now draw my circle. That's my circle. Make your circle thick, because that's the solution. So I've been able to solve the B part of the question. And the C part of the question says that we should measure and state the length of the diameter of the circle. So to do that, you look for any line that is passing through the center of the circle. I can see this one, this center of the circle, this line is passing through the center, and this one is also passing through. So you can use any one to measure the diameter. Let me use this one from here. You can see the diameter of the circle is 80. So you write diameter equals 80 millimeter. So that's the solution to the question. So if you have enjoyed the question, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.